Hello, my name is Ruby Borchet, and this presentation is about IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television. IPTV is a big thing in television these days. Imagine yourself in your living room watching the Oscars live and at the same time recording the latest episode of your favorite TV series while viewing pictures of your friends on Facebook, all in one screen of your TV. This scenario is possible with IPTV. With the convergence of television and internet, along with cable providers and telephone companies competing against each other in providing better viewing services to consumers, the way we view and use TV these days has been revolutionized. The old system of distributing programs through traditional networks has been disrupted, and we see the emergence of products and concepts and services such as smart TV, TV everywhere, virtual TV, web TV, layered 3 TV, and others. As you can see on the first slide of my presentation, you will see the topics that I will be discussing with you. I will be discussing what IPTV is, how it works, its history, the different types of streaming, the different IPTV providers, recent developments, and looking at the future of IPTV. IPTV is defined as multimedia services such as the television, video, audio, text, or graphics data delivered over Internet protocol-based networks managed to support the required level of quality of service known as QoS and reliability. The second slide shows this definition. It provides the complete range of personalized and interactive services desired by modern consumers. It is the technology behind streaming, satellite delivery, whether line or wireless delivery of audio and video in a variety of formats. So how does IPTV works? Since IPTV is a technology that delivered multimedia services via streaming and via set-top boxes known as STB, it is a synergy of two business models and industries: the computer-based networks and distributors, and the cable and telephone or telco companies. The third slide shows how IPTV works. So, IPTV works using a smart box or a virtual box that can be put inside your TV, a broadband router, PC, or your mobile phone. IPTV providers receive contents from media program producers or content providers, and then these media are then converted into formats compatible for IPTV distribution, whether on demand or live streaming to the customers of IPTV platforms and players. The IPTV operators use IP multimedia systems to enable services blending, which results to consumers being able to customize their viewing preferences and experiences. So historically, cable systems have been around for generations, transforming from analog to digital. With the advent of internet, IPTV was created as a means of delivering individual video clips and then later programs to computers using both streaming and downloading of the content. The fourth slide shows historical background of IPTV. So to keep the business going, cable systems and telco companies have tapped the web and internet resources to keep their customers. In 1995, streaming began when progressive networks launched Real Audio. And then a year after, in 1996, video streaming was offered. The popularity of IPTV began when telco companies realized an emerging competition brought by TV everywhere and triple play concept of cable companies. So they have started offering bundled packages and have remained in the competition. Now, let us proceed into the fifth slide, which shows the types of streaming. IPTV uses two types of streaming: the live streaming and the on demand streaming. Streaming is different from downloading, but it occurs when content has to buffer before playing. It is often offered through a special server, and according to Ellis, the most popular streaming services are Microsoft Smooth Streaming, Apple HTTP Live Streaming, and Adobe's Dynamic Streaming. There are advantages of hosting and streaming content. They are speed, control, and flexibility. Streamed materials can be played back immediately, and since content stays on the server, control is maximized. There are also lots of flexibility because content can be configured in a variety of formats and ways. Now, let us look at different IPTV providers on the sixth slide and how they keep their business going by shifting to IPTV services. So, one is Comcast. Comcast has IPTV Xfinity service and partnered with Netflix to deliver contents to subscribers. AT&T and Verizon have remained in competition in providing bundled package of cable, internet, and smartphone, and are able to supply all of the household needs for information, entertainment, and communication. AT&T has its Uverse TV and Verizon has its Fios TV. There are also three most popular streaming players, and these are Roku, Chromecast, and Apple TV, which you need a subscription to either Netflix or Hulu or Amazon to actually stream shows and movies to the television. These streaming content providers seem to be the engine which drives the massive industry changes from traditional TV viewing to a customized TV viewing. Now, let us proceed to the seventh slide, which you will see some recent developments on IPTV. Mostly, it is merging of companies such as internet companies and either cable companies or telco companies, all with one objective of staying in the trends and keeping the business going. Verizon is moving toward a virtual MSO to sell pay TV service outside its Fios territories. The company has also purchased Intel Media for its on-queue platform to offer service over IP to TVs and mobile devices. Comcast has also made a deal with Sony Pictures to get into the home rental business, and by joining with Sony, Comcast can compete head to head with Apple and Amazon for direct sales of movie and TV shows. Also, a new IP delivered video service called Layer 3 TV has also entered the market. This uses a programmer-friendly business model and supports live TV, on-demand, and content and DVR services. So, in 2014, Discovery Communications and Google also announced plans of offering a streaming service called TAP, and it is a celebrity video network. Sony also announced its integration of original TV programming into its PlayStation console, and Microsoft has similar plans with its Xbox. So, how is the future looks like with IPTV? On the eighth slide, you will see a list of things to watch for. One is that TV migrates to the automobiles and there will be emergence of in-vehicle video services. There will also be the rise on smart TVs, and this will result to the decline of the standard media streamers. And also, we will see a more of the second screen experience as marketers are getting to be more creative in which to engage viewers. So, indeed, IPTV is here to stay. Its benefits of integration, promise of interactivity, and offer of various programming options, IPTV continues to revolutionize our TV viewing experiences. Now, here is my question for you, which you can also see on my last slide. With great potentials and capabilities of IPTV, do you see any pitfalls of it towards consumers and even companies offering the services? Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.